Are you ready to draw a cute box of French fries?
I am. Let's get started.
All right, today we're going to be drawing some French fries. And what we're going to do is start by finding the middle of our paper. Right in that middle of the paper, we're going to start over on one side and we're going to go across the middle to the other side with a nice wide U. Doesn't have to be perfect. Over on this side, we're going to come out just a little bit off the side of the U. Same thing on this side, just a line coming straight out. So we have our nice wide U, and then we have a straight line on each side coming out. Over on this side, we're going to draw a diagonal that comes in just a little bit. There we go. Same thing on the other side. A diagonal comes in just a little bit. I'm going to now do a curved line up and in. Same thing on the other side. Up and in. Also going to draw a line coming almost straight across the bottom. Inside this line, I'm going to draw a line curving back and a line curving back. And in between these two lines, not touching, just kind of on its own in the middle, I have a straight line coming across. Right here, I'm going to draw another line that comes up. It's a little wider on the bottom, although not very wide, and it comes up and stops. Same thing on the other side. It's kind of a follow along line, comes up and stops. Up here, I'm going to start just inside from our corner there, and I'm going to draw a diagonal coming up and out. Same thing on the other side, starting in just a little bit. That one I curved out a little more. These are going to be French fries. They can look a little different. I now have one coming in, and I'm going to draw a follow along line coming back down. Same thing over here, a line coming across and bringing it back down. Now, how wide you make them is up to you. They could be super skinny fries or they could be wider fries. Right here, I'm going to continue this line up just a little bit because I'm going to make a slightly taller French fry. It's going to come over and it's going to come down. Over here, I'm going to come down and make a line going sideways. So this French fry is a little shorter. And I want mine a little wider. There we go. And then that is going to follow along and come down. On this side, I'm going to take this one up a little bit. I'm going to take this one down quite a bit. But I'm going to draw the line next to it that comes across and down. I'll connect to that. So that's a short fry tucked in there. This comes over. And it's going to come down. And this fry gets a little skinnier at the bottom. And that works for me. We drew this line coming sideways. I'm going to draw that line coming down. Now over here, I'm going to come down just a little bit. Draw it coming down. Again, down just a little bit. And these can have a slightly different angle to them too. This one's going to curve up and down. This one's going to come across. And then I'm going to draw this down so it's kind of hidden back there. See how I had them connect down here? Just making it a little different. And then these two connect. I'm going to draw one right there. And there. So there's all my French fries inside there. Down here, we're gonna give our French fry box a cute little face. So down here, I got my finger from my first knuckle up. I'm gonna draw a nice wide U. And on each end of that U, I'm gonna draw a little diagonal across it. Above this side, nice and large, I'm gonna draw a nice big circle. Same thing on this side, about the same size. Whoops. Another circle. I hit a bump, that's okay. We're gonna be coloring most of these eyes with black, so it's not gonna matter. Up here, I'm gonna draw a nice little circle in it. Nice circle in it. And that is it. Simple and easy. We have created a box of fries. Now it's time to color, so grab those crayons, pencils, whatever you're gonna use, and have some fun coloring.
Ready to see my final drawing? How cute is that? This is such a fun drawing. I'm sure yours turned out absolutely amazing. I hope you had fun. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and please come back and join me for another How to Draw.